everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Naz Arora. So today I'm going to do an Eid makeup look. You're seeing that I'm all dressed in Indian wear. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's just start. So I'm using this Smashbox primer today. This is one of my most favorite foundations ever. Like, it makes my skin feel so smooth. If I wanted to apply one product post all my skincare, it would be this primer. Trust me when I say it is one of the best primers I've ever come across. Let's begin. So, this is the foundation that I'm using. It's the MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm just taking a drop of NC42 and of NC20 mixed together. That's my perfect foundation shade. Shades and apply. Like, I have applied foundation everywhere on my skin, right? And it's going to be a medium coverage look because my foundation quantity is really less, so I'm not applying much of it. If I apply the same foundation in in more quantity, this will give me a really heavy coverage look, which I don't want. Because it's summer, I prefer keeping my makeup really light. You can see, like, the sun is falling on this side of my face. My face is looking comparatively so clear compared to this side. I am just going to blend it in. And I do this area as well. Please never leave your hairline. I'm going to highlight my face directly. I'm not covering my dark circles because they don't need much coverage. So I'm taking the lighter shade in this MAC palette. This is the Pro Conceal and Correct palette in medium, and I'm taking the topmost shade just to highlight. Apply the same on my upper lid as well. Yeah, that's about it. And I'm also going to highlight all the high points of my face, because we've not done any concealing technically. So I'm just going to cover all the areas. Please blend it under your eyes really well. Yeah. I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC20. Remember, this look is very light as in it is not at all cakey. It's super easy. Just because it's summers, we need to keep the makeup in place. So I'm powdering my entire face. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal Brow Artist's Genius Kit to do my brows. Super quick. Yes. My hand is very light. I'm going in the direction of my hair. See how much of difference does just doing your brows make. To keep it very simple with the pink eye look, I'm going to take this Nykaa palette, and this is the lightest shade that I'm going to take, and I'm going to put it in my so just keep blending that. Acha, bahut bari people ask me if I'm a Muslim. I'm not. I'm a Sirani. My mom loved the name Naz, so unhone mera naam Naz rakh diya. Otherwise, I'm a Siddharth. We've just applied this color into our crease line because we're keeping the look very simple. I'm not going to play around with much colors. I am now taking this Forever 52 palette, and I'm taking this pink shade in it. This one to apply as the glitter shade that I want. I'm using the same brush. Nothing. These brushes are by this brand called Morphe, guys. A lot of you must know about it. So you see, it's as simple as that. Today I'm not teaching anything tough. So I'm sure all of you will be able to do it. So just apply the shade, the color, and keeping it super sparkly today. An empty brush with no color at all. I'm just going to blend this in. As simple. Nothing fancy. Brown bone area. I'm taking this light dusty pink. This beautiful shade for this area, and I'm using the same brush. Guys, you should know that you should be precise with your brushes. Now I'm habitual, so I can technically use any and I will still get it on the right place. This darker shade under my eye. That's about it. So next I'm going to apply kajal on the inner waterline, just that. In the next one I will be teaching a winged eyeliner, so don't worry, I'm coming up with more stuff. So I'm going to go with my blusher. This one is from Nykaa. It's the Malibu Barbie. Mix both the shades together and we're going to dust it off a little, and that's how it will be looking. You can see how pretty it looks using this Wait in Italy bronze contour. Yeah, it's in the shade bronze. Studio Wet and Dry blusher, but I'll use it as a contour with the same blusher brush. I'm just going to chisel out my face a little here. You can see how the contour is creating an effect already. Now we need to really blend that in. We need to work our ass off on this. I don't know why am I so pumped today. I guess that's because of I featured in Tribune today morning, so maybe just a little impact of how grateful I am for this day. So just a little bit of that. I am not taking more powder on this. I am just using the leftover brown color to do my nose. See, I'm not taking any more product. So yeah, just a little bit of contour. We are looking nice and pretty, girls. So next, I'm going to do the highlighter. So for the highlighter, I'm taking this Tri-Sugar highlighter, and it's called the Royal Rose, and that's what it looks like. Sorry for the shabby, thing, but just take it a little on this to your nose. Yeah, like that. Just keep shining. And a little bit on the high points of your face. A little bit here. Oh my god, don't I look beautiful? Okay guys, you must be saying what has happened to Naz. Naz has always been like that, but she's a little not shy on camera. She likes to keep it to herself, her life. As I said, it's going to be a glossy makeup. I'm just going to line my lip. Just with the lip contour, my lips look so good. Today is using a mascara, and after that I'll just spray my face so that my makeup stays. So guys, this is how my look has turned out, and I am in love with it. It's simple, classy, and something I think which you all would love to wear at Eid. It's very easy and very quick, and I hope you guys like it. Please share this video, comment if you like such content, and I would be coming up with more such videos. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Much love. See you soon.